Mà chim băm rồi vô mắm rồi bé có mắm kỹ con xịt con
dễ sống vậy. Oh, look, I don't wow like that. Look, like a light on. Wait until 6 o'clock. That it looks like water.
Oh no.
There's no fat.
Yeah, I'm missing that tomato.
Like that. Just with the fingers better. But what you have to do now? And this potato is melted almost. See? Like it becomes smaller. The one you make, look. Like so small. It breaks. Look. The one I cook like this bigger. Look. See? Supposed to be this big. Look. Only the one I cut like a couple pieces. Look. Or the one you cook like it becomes super small. That's how you listen to me. After then, what that is? Don't ask. Rice wine, just a little bit rice wine. Like make the flavor better. And then if you want it thicker, then you cook for longer now. But you have to keep looking at it until the water dries up. You have to turn off the fire now. Turn off the fire.
No, I have to borrow that wine.
Not bad. See, all the potato melted already. Told you. Good. Oh no.
That's a mushroom.
I know. That's fine. Try it like this.
Put some soy sauce.
We put tomato sauce. The tomato we bought that is not as good as this one. But we put some tomato sauce. Makes it taste good. Only how many spoons? It's not even that much. Couple tablespoons. Last time you put a lot. You put the whole can of tomato sauce. And I said it tastes too sour. The finger. Okay. Look at it. It's all melted. Where's your tomatoes?
Right there, you don't see it?
Told you, look at it, like this small. Look, it's only been like a smart potato. Told you, don't listen to me. This is like you put 6 tomatoes. We can only see the tomato I cook. I cut. Look, the big one, I cut. The small one is all melted now. Yeah, cut it bigger. Some learn the lesson. Look at all your tomatoes. It's gone already, dude. Look at my tomato. Look, still standing. Where's yours, though?
That's fine. I
Dude, I cut the one that's the bigger, and then you don't listen to me. Look at all the melted like that. Told you. You don't listen to me now. You know. Now you know. See, you look nice with the we have so much tomato look like that. Now it's like only like 6, 8 of them, huh? Fine, right? Come on, man. Yes. Mushroom?
No, it tastes watery and it tastes salty.
That's how it is.
Okay.
Good. Fine.
So then we cover it with sauce.
Oh, yeah.
That's not